Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
How are you doing, Virgo? On Monday, the stars are meant for relaxation and renewal. If your boss says otherwise, well, be sure to fit in plenty of me time after hours. Spoiling yourself just a bit does your heart a world of good. A reserve of good humor and strength is also helpful during the emotional upheaval that begins sometime today. What with stormy passions, possessiveness, and more, your life may briefly resemble a soap opera. Enjoy the drama. This weekend, take extra care with others' feelings. Be sweet, and it will come back to you tenfold. Prepare yourself for all the goodies coming your way today and also brace up for the not so good things. Find out what's in store for you today. On Tuesday, oppositions are in the stars, romantically speaking, at the beginning of the week, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. You may need to relocate that happy medium between love and work, or it could be a matter of opposites attracting. You might feel like you're being told what to do today, whether by a friend who's full of love advice or by a partner. Acknowledging it and letting it go feels much better than taking it personally. The day brings bountiful, good energy, and your head's in the clouds. Perfect for romance. However, too much verbal communication with others may make you feel tired. You should try to avoid speaking much and must not talk about unnecessary things. On Wednesday, you should find some time for yourself rather than directing all your energies towards work. You can even do some reading. Reading some interesting article, material, or book will surely help. You should not just stick to your chair, instead, move around and meet people and talk. You're looking to impress in the midweek, but why go overboard trying when just being yourself is so very impressive? Making others feel important means they'll find you utterly fascinating. Today is all about letting go and letting the romantic chips fall where they may. If it's right, it's right. If not, well, onward and upward. There's drama in the cards when it comes to love. Keep your cool and you'll emerge smelling like a rose. On Thursday, modesty be darned. You're feeling fabulous and showing it. And romance is sitting up and taking notice. Channel any self-criticism about your love life into constructive stuff. If you use that energy to think in innovative ways, there's no stopping you. Those in relationships could be driven slightly batty by your partner's impracticality. Luckily, you're there to step in. Love is low-key for singletons now, but there's definitely stuff going on behind the scenes. You must not take up physically heavy or difficult tasks today. You should instead try light activities. The heavier load may affect you physically. Besides, your logical calculations and people may not go right. On Friday, work could be a hurdle on any romantic plans today, but the stars have some sweet stuff in store for. These are perfect for jovial fun with a date or friends. Expand your definition of the finer things in life and take someone sweet along for the ride. It could get romantic indeed. Your easygoing nature serves you well on Friday and Saturday, when life and love are serving you surprises that may be difficult to interpret. Talking to you feels good even if there's no absolute resolution. Play hard and work hard, so you need a well-balanced diet, plenty of rest, and a place where you can relax and recover your energies, both physical and mental. You should not eat on the run, just grabbing whatever takeaway you can get on the spur of the moment. You need to enjoy your food, eat slowly, and avoid coffee, tea, nicotine, and alcohol, which will overstimulate you. You must always carry a bottle of water with you to avoid dehydration. On Saturday, you're just where you want to be today, right in the middle of things, romantically speaking. Make plans, speak your mind, and generally exercise your will. It works well for you. Stay loose. In particular, those in relationships need to say goodbye to stubbornness and hello to new ideas. Try laughing instead of getting wound up. The weekend looks marvelous for romance, full of meaning with lots of sweet mysteries for you to unravel or get deliciously caught up in. Health wise, you will be feeling much better now compared to last week. However, this does not mean that you can be careless or the situation could get worse. This is the best time to start a new fitness regime to get the maximum benefits. Young people should avoid overindulging in alcohol this week. Small children are expected to suffer from stomach aches, so their diet should be monitored closely. On Sunday, you're looking at love in unusually practical, down to earth ways at the week's outset. Concrete values concern you, so delve deep into them, yours and someone else's. The free exchange of ideas get downright hot with a possible merging of the minds on the agenda. Sexy and intellectual, they are two great things that go well together. If you get frustrated by some time spent cooling your heels, just wait for Sunday. It kicks off a couple of days of superlative possibilities in the realm of romance. This week, do not consume anything that is considered to be bad for your health. Unhealthy habits are likely to have a very bad effect on you this week and could lead to problems that may trouble you for a very long time. This is also not a good time to travel, as a journey will have an adverse effect on your health and also increase your stress levels.
Money and career.
On Monday, you need to build your hopes with courage and determination. This approach will make the day peaceful. Avoid getting tensed and make yourself more joyful. You may need to rely on your intelligence to ensure favorable results. This will be possible with your positive thinking and courage. The day will bring progressive results for you. You can utilize the time for pursuing useful purposes. Your magnetic charm and communication will draw others to you. On Tuesday, the day promises to be a favorable day for you. Securing a lot of extra benefits is also indicated. This is also a suitable day to make some major decisions. You will be able to endear yourself to your dear ones with charming and pleasant words. You have to be patient to achieve success. Learn to be more consistent with what you do so that you can be very successful. On Wednesday, travel is on the cards. Exercise caution while handling vital activities. Think twice before indulging in any activity. This day may be slightly less favorable for you. It will be good if you relax and be happy mentally, as this is most essential for the day. You may have to adjust and manage the day in a smart manner. You should keep yourselves engaged and happy through entertaining activities. You need to put in a little extra effort to ensure things work out in your favor. On Thursday, you need to be honest and straightforward. You should avoid getting emotional. Plan your actions and schedules. Plan your actions and schedules to achieve effective results. The day requires you to take things in an easy manner. You need to keep yourself motivated to ensure smooth results. This could be a day that will test your patience. This may not be a very encouraging day for you. Not much can be expected to happen. You also may not be able to witness progress and benefits accruing on this day. On Friday, you can enjoy spending money for your family, and this will make you happy. You will find the day to be more optimistic. Good development will also be possible for you. You are able to execute your tasks easily. Positive outcomes are foretold for the day. You will also be in a position to realize your potential. A most productive day for you. Benefits and support will be present through your friends. You will have a good reason to be more cheerful. On Saturday, you need to cultivate more patience and shun your emotions. It will be advisable to involve yourself in meditation or yoga, as this will give you relief. You have to make yourself happy and maintain high spirits. You could also be forced to compromise on certain comforts. It will be a little tough for you to find satisfaction. On Sunday, the day requires you to exercise control over your emotions and resort to spiritual pursuits like praying for solace. You will feel stressed due to the heavy commitments of the day. You need to adopt a calm and composed attitude for things to function smoothly. This is of vital importance for the day. Listening to divine music and participating in recreational activities will help you immensely.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.